Hello everyone, welcome to Headlines of the Day. This is 6th of June 2022 and we are back again with some of the major articles from the Hindu today. Let's begin our today's discussion from the very first article on page number 1. Pertaining to GS3 environment section, the first article says 10% ethanol blending goal met, says our Prime Minister. So from this article you have to know what is ethanol blending target of India and its present status. Also know about ethanol blending, benefits, significance, challenges and related Indian initiatives. Now, the second article is headlined as World's First Fishing Cat Census Done in Chilika Lake. So, from this article, you have to know what are the findings of the world's first population estimation of the fishing cat and facts related to fishing cats. Moving further on page number 6 from GS2 International Relations, there's an article that says the IPEF holds promise, but there are perils too. So, from this article, you have to know about the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity, IPEF, its objectives, pillars, what could India expect from the IPEF, key analysis, and what is the possible scenario ahead. Alright, moving further on page number 7 from GS2 International Relations, another article that says people, not courts, shape norms. So why healthy democracies need our ongoing processes of the democratic deliberations among citizens, says this article. So from this article, you have to know why do citizens in democratic countries, including the US, do not trust institutions such as elected assemblies and courts to represent their will? And also, what are the fundamental problems of democratic governance in all constitutional democracies, including India? How are the concepts of human rights formed? Which institutions have the constitutional rights to enforce them? Issues, challenges, and what lies ahead. Further on, what does good democratic governance require and the key analysis and what can be the possible scenario ahead. Moving further on page number 7 from GS3 Science and Technology, there's another article. The status of EVTOL are soon to be reality. From this article, you have to know what is EVTOL, what are the developments in powering eVTOLs, how does one get an idea of the kinds of eVTOLs. Moving further on page number 10 from GS2 International Relations, there's an article, project to track small fishing vessels pending since 2611. So despite the trials being conducted, efforts to install the satellite-based vehicle monitoring system remain stuck, says the officials. From this article, you have to know what are the recent initiatives of Quad to track and address illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing in Indo-Pacific. So why there is a growing concern and learn the facts related to Quad initiative. Moving further on page number 12 from GS3 Environment section, there's an article about the State of Environment Report 2022. So the article is headlined as Rivers Facing Heavy Pollution. From this article, you have to know what are the findings of the State of Environment Report 2022, issues related, and what is the possible scenario ahead. Well, with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Headlines of the Day, The Hindu. I'll see you with more such videos. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.